my name is Josie. Oh, I realize that this may be annoying to you for my ring light to be in my glasses. Well, that sucks. Okay, let's take the glasses off. All right, so, and now everything is slightly... All right, excuse the non-makeup face. All I have on is some lip balm and some moisturizer because my face is so dry. It's like so dry. Are you guys having like problems with like your face being like really dry right now? I don't know, man. Let me know in the comments. So, as you can see in the background, I have a pretty big haul. It's massive. It's a massive haul. So over the past week, there has been some really good releases and I may have gotten a lot of them. So we're gonna go through and show you what we got. Yeah, so this is my Ulta haul, guys. I hope you enjoy it. If you're new here, hello, my name is Josie. If you like anything and all things beauty, lifestyle, honestly, fashion, pretty much anything to do in the beauty spectrum, you're in the right place. Please hit that subscribe button if you like what you see, and we're gonna jump into this video. All right, so let's turn this chair. That's a lot of stuff. Okay, so we are going to go through all of this and show you what I got. Are Ulta haul videos still a thing? Like, do you guys like watching this? Do you guys like watching? Do you go seek out Ulta hauls? I don't know. Let me know in the comments below. I just feel like I had so much stuff and it's just a lot of new stuff, so I just wanted to put it in a video so you guys could all like see all of it together. So I'm so excited. So this is the roller club from Drybar. This is a roller set, a hot roller. Oh God, I almost took my face out. A hot roller set. It comes with 10 rollers and 4 of them are big and then 6 of them are smaller, but even the small ones are kind of big. I'm really excited about this. If you guys would like a tutorial on how to use these, let me know. We're putting that back up here and I'm gonna go into the next one. So I got the Mixologist interchangeable styling iron from Drybar. I have so many curling irons next to me right now. I can't, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 things next to me right now with all of the cords. It's a lot. It is a lot. So this has one handle and different attachments. I feel like this is going to save me a lot of space and clutter, which I'm really excited about. I wish they had more attachments to this, like maybe a straight iron attachment. How nice would that be? And maybe like a smaller wand. You know, just thinking out loud here. We're going to go rapid fire through this. So I got 2 liquid lipsticks from KVD. This one is in Torch Ginger. It's like a bright orange. I didn't have either of these colors in my collection, so I picked those up. And then I got these 2 Dazzle sticks. Why is my camera acting weird and it keeps freezing? Oh, please don't do this to me right now. Oh, I got these 2 liquid lipsticks from KVD, Torch Ginger and Medusa's Head. I don't have these in my collection. And then I also got the Dazzle sticks. So these are like some glitter toppers. They're actually really pretty. I don't know how I haven't got them until now. They go on top of your eyes, and the green one is so pretty. Oh my God. So these 2 are Hell Surge and Tornado Haze. I got the Duck Plump Touch Up Taupe. This is a lip liner and I've used it a couple times since I've gotten it and it's pretty good. And it does actually plump. This one is like a really pretty taupe. It's one of my favorite lip liner colors, like families that I like wear almost every single day. Love that. And then I also got these 2 liners from KVD. So at my Ulta, they're actually getting rid of the KVD line to put new brands in. So I got a lot of this stuff on sale, which is nice. So I got Roxy. These are lip liners, by the way. So Roxy is this purple color. Oh, look at that. That's really pretty. That is very pretty. And then I got Vampira, which is this beautiful, if I can get it out. It is this beautiful, like burgundy, deep cherry. Look at that. That's so pretty. Okay, both my vibes. So these 2 lip liners are new. Oh my gosh, I'm running out of space to put all the stuff that I've already talked about in front of me. Anyway, all right. So we got the Half Magic. Oh, it's gorgeous. So this is in Wet Pebble. I barely touched that, guys. I literally barely touched it. This is a amazing everyday one shadow eye look. Eyeshadow? That didn't make sense, but you know what I mean. Anyway, this is a beautiful everyday shadow where you don't need to add any other colors to it for your everyday look. I got the Hello Daisy, or I think it's Daisy. Yes, it's gotta be Daisy. This one is the Raspberry and Mint Fragrance Body Mist. It's delectable and also crazy affordable. This is less than 10 bucks, and I'm gonna be honest, it's a really good deal. So I kind of want all of them because look how cute they are. Look how cute they are. This one is the Raspberry and Mint, and it is a tangy raspberry, black currant, zesty mint, whipped coconut, and vanilla. It's so good. I just want to douse myself in it. I wish there was like a long-lasting perfume version of it. Okay, so, and then I can't find the other one, but I did get two, but I don't know where it went. But I got the Color Snacks. These are the little duo packs from Ulta, the eyeshadows. I got the peanut butter one, and then this one. This one is sour candy, and it's like a green. Oh my gosh, look, it matches my shirt. Wow. What if we went in with both of these for an eye look? Oh my gosh, okay, sorry. So, I'm like really turning a lot. So this is the Essence Flawless Skin Trio Loose Setting Powder. I have not tried it yet. I want to do a video on it, so that's why it's sitting here waiting. It has a pink, purple, and I think a peach color in there. Very, very nice. I like that there's an option for this kind of setting powder in a more affordable realm. It's nice. Then I got this pay no attention to me. This is the Face Bond Illuminizer. So this is in Silver Lake by Urban Decay. It's very pretty. I've used it a couple times. I wish it had more sheen to it. I thought it was gonna be more blingy, but it's okay. If you're someone that likes like a healthy glow look, that would be this product. Very, very nice. And I think the best way to use this is, since it has like a liquidy texture, you can put this right over your makeup, or you can mix it in with your makeup, which is amazing. All right, then I got, if you have not heard of Dibs, it is a makeup brand that is kind of new, definitely new to Ulta. So this is a blush stick and contour stick. So it's duo. This is their mini one, which is amazing. I wish more brands did mini products of their, like mini versions of their products. So people like me that like maybe have a makeup addiction can just have a mini to go through instead of a full-size product, but you know, I digress. Anyway, this one is Desert Island Duo. This one is more of like a peachy, and then the contour slash bronzer is really, really nice as well. More of a bronzer because it is warmer. And then I have this one, which I was really excited about. This one is the Pink Cosmos. This is a shimmery, like a dewy version of the other one I just showed you, but different colors. So look at that pink. That's, oh my gosh, that's what dreams are made of. And then the other side is this gorgeous neutral bronzer slash contour. And I could actually use this one as a contour. It is right there. It's stunning. Okay, so that is that for Dibs. I also got the Everyday, well, Everybody brush. It looks like, oh, it popped out. It looks like so very, very perfect contour your face and or go in with just the contour shade, or you can do all three, like blush, contour, and highlight. You know, many options, but it's so soft. I'm gonna do, honestly, I'm thinking about doing a whole video on this. Rapid fire. So I got the new Skin Tint Under Eye Brightener Concealer from Makeup Revolution. The one with the metal tip. Very, very cool, very innovative. So I got the Benefit Mascara, the Bounce Bad Gal. And then I got this Skin Enhancer from CoverGirl. This is their contour balm. And honestly, guys, it's one of the best contours I've seen come out in a while. Look at that. It's like true contour color, like true. I also got the new Butter Melt highlighters from NYX. I got the No One Butter and Bright and Butter. So it's like a champagne-y, like white gold. And then, well, actually it might be silver. I'm not sure. I didn't get to swatch them. And then this one is that purple shade. It's they're so pretty, guys. They're just so pretty. And I love the whole Butter collection. Are you gonna autofocus or no? Okay, well, I guess no autofocusing for you guys, but they're really pretty. I got the Nude Sticks stack all over face color. So this is the duo one. It is the pink and a like very pretty iridescent shimmer. They're little stacks, and I love stacks. Like stacks of makeup, I just feel like is just so, what's the word? Convenient, because you have like a whole stack of everything that you need. I haven't really found one that has like everything you need for your daily makeup in one stack, but there are some that come close. And this one is one of them. They have a few different colors, but this one is the duo. It's pink, blush, and then this really pretty iridescent highlighter stacked conveniently in this little stack. I got the Ordinary Squalene Lip Balm. This has been everywhere on my TikTok page. It's actually kind of cool. Looks like so. I've kind of been on like a lip balm journey. I have so many lip balm, guys. It's kind of actually a problem. All right. Okay. So listen, I jumped into Morphe because their new brushes, they're really nice. They're very, very nice. So I got all of the freaking packages packs that I could. I wish they had one with all of their brushes in it, but alas, I cannot find it. So the first thing I got was the Morphe One and Done Sponge. We're going to try this out in a video. We're going to try all of the Morphe things out in a video, hopefully. I got the Morphe Conceal and Set. This looks so nice, guys. And then I got the new Morphe Cloud Light Soft Veil. I'm actually really excited about this one as well. Oh, mine's broken. I just realized it's broken. Oh, that's sad. Okay, and then this is the Morphe Portrait Mode. And so this is the like face brush set that they offer. I also got a free gift with purchase. It comes with a mini Morphe setting powder, a little holder, and then a little Morphe sponge. That's all the Morphe things I got. I'm very excited about it. I got the new Touchland Power Essence. It smells good, but it doesn't last, in my opinion. This is the Hydrating Body and Hair Fragrance Mist. If you were wondering, I love freaking Touchland, but I just feel like $20 for this is too much. It's just my opinion. It's just my opinion. I got the Polite Society Brightening Petal powder. I'm actually really excited about this. It's a nice, finely milled powder, very blurring. And then I also got the Milk RX Advanced Better Aging Cream. It looks like this. It's supposed to be very good for your skin. Oh, you can get a refill online, which is nice. Oh my gosh, we're getting close. I got the Cream Vanille La Mousse. This is from Le Monde Gourmand brand. That's another brand that I absolutely love in Ulta. It's honestly, they have so many good products, and all of their body sprays, so good, so fantastic. Their perfumes, amazing. The foam lotions, I actually really, really like. And then I am jumping on the Naturium bandwagon because Naturium is very, very popular, and I like how the products look. And you guys already know, I have rosacea, very dry skin. I needed another azelaic topical acid. This is 10%. I needed something for my rough red skin on my cheeks because it was just getting out of control. So I got an azelaic acid just to add back into my everyday routine. Then you guys already know, I got quite a few of these. I think I have 2 more in my purse. This is the NYX Lip IVs, the glossy stains. They're freaking amazing. You guys, I'm sure you've seen my review. If you didn't, go check it out. They're amazing. It's a really good product, like very good product. Last but not least, I got the Saint Tropez Cherry Macaron Duo packet. Actually, it would be like a trio packet. Yeah. It comes with oh my goodness, a mitt, a bronzing mousse, and then a Cherry Macaron hair and body fragrance. If you know me, I love cherry scents as long as they don't smell like cough medicine. If they smell like cough medicine, it's a no-go right away, straight away for me. This is what this body spray and hair mist looks like. It's nice. It smells like cherry vanilla, not at all cough syrupy, medicine-y, because I love the cherry scents, but the more natural cherry scents, not the artificial cherry scent. You know what I mean? It's hard to come by the good ones, but when I do get them, I really like them. Oh my gosh, is that it? That's it, guys. Wow. Okay. I can't believe we got through that so fast. Was it fast? Maybe not as fast as I thought. It was still over 25 minutes. Anyway, so that was my haul for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a like and maybe leave a comment in the comment section down below. It really helps me out. And I will see you guys in my next video. I love y'all. Bye! Mwah.